Now, let me show you how you can close the predictive text on your Android phone. So it kind of depends on which keyboard you are using. Now, this is a Samsung phone, and I mostly use this Samsung keyboard, to type on my phone. So if I want to stop and close the predictive text feature on this one, I go to the settings, and on the main screen, I scroll through the menus until I find the general management. And in here, I should be able to see the settings for a Samsung keyboard. So that's what I can click on and expand. And here are so many random things which you might want to change and tweak, but you can notice that predictive text is literally one of the first things on the list, so you can stop it like that. And a bunch of other menus and settings will be closed away too, right? So that's how you can do this if you specifically use the Samsung keyboard like I use. But if you use a different one, for example, you have the Gboard or, a different third-party keyboard, then you make these changes directly inside of that application, right? So if you would use a Gboard as the keyboard, in here, you can get inside. It has to be active, so I'm going to switch to it so we can actually get to these settings in here. But part of the preferences or obviously you can change the theme and everything, but part of the preferences, you can see all of the things like the suggestions, right? And the shortcuts, auto punctuation, and so on, right? So as I say, it might be different for different keyboard apps, but in here you can see the auto correction, auto capitalization, suggesting, right, and so on. So that's how you can control it for different apps. Let me know if this is the thing which you are looking for. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next uploads.